See, we are going to see
Yes.
about substitution in polynomials. Okay. In a given algebraic expression, I'm going to substitute the value of variables. See the first example. If a is equal to 5, this is a variable a, and that variable's value is 5. And b is another variable, and b's value is 3. So the given polynomial is a plus 2b. So which is the given polynomial? A plus 2 times b. So now I'm going to substitute and find the value of this polynomial. How is that I can find the value, numerical value of that polynomial? By substituting a as 5 and b as 3. So what is it? A is 5. So instead of a, I'm substituting 5 plus 2 times. What is b? It is 3. So 2b means 2 into 3. Okay. So it is 5
Oh,
plus 2 into 3 is 6. What is it?
ma'am,
You
I
will
get
have
it
this
now.
here. Yes.
So it's
So it is,
actually you simplify it into 5 plus
I'm just
2 multiplied
substituting.
by
That's it.
3.
I have substituted a as 5 and b as 3, and normal mathematical calculation we are doing. That's it. Okay. So
So
5
then
plus this
A
2
plus
into 3 is 6. So
then
5 plus 6 is
A,
11.
ma'am, so then A plus 2B is equal to 11.
Correct. That is all. So what is the value of a plus 2b? It is 11.
11.
Perfect. So this is called as substitution in polynomials. How we substitute and find the value of a given polynomial. Okay. So in your exercise, they have given you problems related to this one. Exercise 12D of your R.S.Agarwal. Okay. Exercise 12D. The first question you can see. Find the value of the expression 2x plus 3y, and they have given you value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So how is that you will find this one? 2 times x. What is x? It is 3. So 2 times 3 plus
Yes.
3 times what is y? Value of y is 4. So multiplied by 4. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 into 4 is 12. 6 plus 12, it is 18. So what is the answer? 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. What is the value of this expression? It is equal to 18. Clear?
Yes.
Same way we can proceed with the other questions in this set. They have given you the fifth one with totally 3 variables. Okay. The fifth subdivision. See that? It has got 3 variables. The same exercise. First question. Fifth subdivision. What is the question? 5ab plus 7bc minus 3ca. You have to find its value when a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 4. So how is it we can proceed? The same way. 5 times. What is a? 2. What is b? 3. Plus 7 times. What is b? 3. What is c? 4. Minus 3 times. What is c? It is 4. Again, what is a? It is 2. So now you have to
Yes.
multiply and then do the addition or subtraction relevant to it. So here it is 6 5 times. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 5s are 30. Plus, here it will be 21 4 times. 7 3 times 21. 21 4 times will be 84. Minus, here 3 4s are 12. 12 2 times 24. Minus 24. So now this has come out to be an algebraic expression. So add all positive values together. What do you get? 30 plus 84. That will give you 4 and 3 plus 8 is 11. 114 minus 24. So when you do the subtraction, 4 minus 4 will give you 0. And then 11 minus 2 will give you 9. So the answer for this expression is 9090.
90.
What is it? 5ab plus 7bc minus 3ca is equal to 9090. So this is how you should proceed with the answers. I guess you will be able to work out the remaining 3 subdivisions from the same problem. In problem number 1, the other 3 subdivisions are also similar to this. Okay. In subdivision
Okay.
4, there is one small change. In subdivision 4, you
What
can see
page?
value, same problem, same question number 1. The subdivision 4, they have given n's value to be -4. So wherever n comes, you have to bring in -4 and accordingly do the algebraic calculations. Okay. So signs
Okay.
also you have to be cautious about. Fine. See, in question number 4 subdivision, what is that we have? 8m minus 5 and minus 3p. So I'm substituting instead of m 15, instead of n minus 4, and instead of p 20 over here. So solving this algebraic part, how is that we can do? 8 into 15. What is
It's
8 5
120.
times 40? 8 1 times 8. So it will be 120.
120.
Yes. And then here it is minus 5
20.
into minus 4 is minus 20.
Yes, I got that.
5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Again, here it is minus sign. I'll keep it as such. 3 into 20 is 60. Now here again, this is a subtraction sign here. And here, what is that you have? A negative value. So how is that we should have to proceed with subtraction? 120. The subtraction sign, I can get it converted into addition sign by changing the sign of this 20. What is the sign of 20? Negative. So by changing it into positive, I can convert that subtraction into addition. The next step is minus 60. This is minus of plus 60, right? So minus 60 it is. So only the positive values together we have to group it. 120 and plus 20. How much you will get? You will get 140. All negatives you have to group together. What is it? Minus 60 only you have. So I'll just write it as minus 60. So 140 minus 60. What is the answer you will get? 80 will be your answer. So you got it right. Okay. See, let us proceed with all the questions, but only the last subdivision I'll be working out here. The other previous subdivisions, you can work it out by yourself. Fine. So here, let us go for the next question, which is question number 2. In that, the last subdivision is subdivision 3. So what is the given question? They have given the data as x is equal to minus 3. If x is equal to minus 3, then you have to find the value of the third subdivision is 6 minus x squared. So how is that we can proceed? 6 minus x squared where x is equal to minus 3. So 6 minus of x squared. What is x squared? It is minus 3 squared. What did I tell you about x squared? It is nothing but x into x. Correct? If in case I write 2 squared, what do you mean by that? 2 into 2. So same way, if I write it as minus 3 squared, then it is nothing but minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus. Negative into negative will give you positive. Keep this in mind. Okay. Negative into negative is what? It is positive. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. 3 into 3, it becomes 9. So what is the value of minus 3 squared? It is plus 9. So I can substitute 6 minus 3 squared is what? 9. 6 minus 9. So when there is a subtraction sign, what should we do? We should have to do a subtraction and then put the bigger number sign. This is plus 6 and this is minus 9. So I will do 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. And which one sign is bigger? 9 sign is bigger. So the answer will be what? Minus 3 for this one. So what is the value of 6 minus x squared? 6 minus x squared is equal to minus 3. Got this clear?